Espresso machines. A must-have for coffee lovers. Join us to step into the enchanting atmosphere of the coffee world. We'll delve into the features of different machines, take a look at their flavor performances, and provide tips to elevate your coffee experience. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the magic of espresso machines together. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. It's the best espresso machine for small spaces. Breville Bambino. If you're working with limited space, the Sage Bambino presents a compelling option with features akin to the Gaggia Classic, mentioned earlier. By the way, the last machine in the video is Gaggia Classic, don't miss it, but with a more compact footprint and a slightly more budget-friendly price. In our tests, the Sage Bambino, known as the Breville Bambino in the US and Australia, impressed us by producing coffee with a robust body and a thick crema. Notably, it provides the flexibility of choosing between manual and automatic water dispensing. Designed for simplicity, the Sage Bambino includes a built-in steam wand and comes with a milk jug among its accessories, allowing you to embrace the barista role right out of the box. However, we observe some dripping after pouring the espresso, and unlike other Sage/Breville branded coffee makers, this model lacks the razor tool that helps smooth off the coffee in the filter. The best espresso machine for most people. Breville the Barista Express Impress. The Breville Barista Express Impress, known as the Sage the Barista Express Impress in the UK, stands out as our top pick for an espresso coffee machine. Positioned neither at the highest end of the price spectrum nor the most budget-friendly, it comfortably resides in the middle ground in terms of the initial investment. This proves advantageous, given that the machine consistently delivers a delectable cup of coffee. Our reviewer believes that it provides everything necessary for savoring specialty coffee in the comfort of your home. The steam wand's positioning, found to be user-friendly and easily controllable, allows for the creation of finely textured microfoam for creamy lattes. With a simple press of the right buttons, it promptly grinds beans, enabling you to experiment with various flavors and strengths. The precision in grinding beans, maintaining water temperature and pressure, and producing microfoam contributes to an impeccable brewing process. However, it's worth noting that the machine does occupy a considerable amount of space. If you lean towards the convenience of one-touch coffee preparation, this might not be the ideal choice. The Breville Barista Express Impress is tailored for those who appreciate the artistry of barista-style coffee. The best budget espresso machine. De'Longhi Dedica Style EC685. If you're seeking an espresso machine that allows experimentation with coffee tamping and water dispensing while being mindful of your budget, the De'Longhi Dedica Style emerges as a more affordable option in this category. User-friendly and accommodating both ESE pods and ground coffee, this machine opens up possibilities, including the preparation of decaf coffee. During testing, it demonstrated the capability to produce an intense espresso with a consistent crema, while it can brew 2 single espressos simultaneously. Managing 2 cups under the spout on this compact machine posed a bit of a challenge. One drawback we noted was the machine's inability to make espresso immediately after steaming milk. If your coffee routine involves multiple milk-based drinks, you'll need to brew all the espressos first before moving on to the milk frothing process. Additionally, we observed some dripping after pouring the espresso, which was a bit disappointing. The best espresso machine for design. Smeggy CF01. If you're in search of an espresso machine that seamlessly blends style and functionality, the Smeggy CF01 espresso maker is an ideal choice. Its retro-style design, available in various colors, ensures you'll find one that complements your home decor. The Smeg excels in delivering a rich, intense shot of espresso crowned with a thick, stable crema. A notable feature we appreciate is the machine's capability to allow you to control the water dispensing, with the added convenience of remembering your preferred volume. This means it will automatically distribute at your desired level the next time you brew coffee. However, it's important to note that the ECF01 may not be the most suitable option for complete novices, as it lacks detailed guidance on brewing espresso. On the downside, with just a 1 quart/1 liter water tank, this espresso machine has one of the smallest capacities among those we've tested. If your coffee routine involves making several cups simultaneously, this might not be the ideal model for you. Additionally, due to its compact size, fitting 2 espresso cups under the spout at the same time proved a bit challenging. The best espresso machine for on the go. Wakako Minipresso GR. If you're seeking a portable solution to enjoy high-quality espresso on the go, the Minipresso is the perfect companion. This espresso machine operates with hand pump power, eliminating the need for batteries or mains power. This makes it versatile enough to accompany you anywhere, requiring only access to boiling water and ground coffee. Designed with coffee aficionados in mind, the Mini Presso puts the control of tamping and water volume in your hands, making it an ideal choice for those who enjoy experimenting with their coffee. While it may not be the best fit for complete beginners, our tests quickly demonstrated the capability of this compact device to produce coffee with body and a stable crema. Additionally, its clever design ensures that all components securely slot together, minimizing the risk of losing any accessories in your bag. This was the best espresso machine a couple of years ago. Gaggia Classic. The Gaggia Classic held the coveted title of our #1 espresso maker in both 2021 and 2022. However, it has now gracefully made way for new machines in our rankings. Despite being a bit older than some of the newer contenders in our guide, we still believe it's an excellent choice. Gaggia boasts that it can produce a shot of coffee with a thick crema without requiring experimentation with the coffee grind size. This makes it an ideal option for those who are keen on learning how to use an espresso machine before delving into the art of being a barista. The machine also provides complete manual control over water dispensing, allowing you to create your desired coffee volume. During our tests, we were impressed by the rich and intense coffee it produced. Using all 3 filters, it consistently delivered a stable crema that held up even when sugar was sprinkled on top. The built-in steam wand ensures the versatility to create milk-based coffee drinks as well. However, it's worth noting that this espresso machine is among the more expensive options on the market. Thank you for tuning into our espresso machine review video. We appreciate you joining us to explore fantastic options for coffee enthusiasts and elevate your coffee experience. In this video, we introduced you to machines, each standing out with its unique features, offering a variety of choices to shape your home coffee making experience. If this video has been helpful for you and inspired you in determining which espresso machine suits you best, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, feel free to share your experiences or your favorite espresso machine with fellow coffee enthusiasts in the comments.